fast.
Tell me when it's done.
Now, when you're
Yeah,
feeling right
filming.
there, let me have some circles, just like this, right? Now, do those really fast. Warm up and go backwards. Very good. And bring your arms down. Good, good, good. When we do it fast like that, what it's doing is it's really toning. It's not about bulking up, it's about toning, right? Not size, all right? Size doesn't matter, all right? Focus, right? That's you. That's who you train. All right? And now let's make it.
Okay.
Just go a little bit slower. Very good, very good. A little bit slower.
Off.
That's good. When you do it slow like that, that's when you're going to learn to bulk up, right? That gives you those big muscles. You know, a bit more mass. Now what we're going to do here, combine the two.
Go.